To our classes. I'm Dr. KK Misra. This is multiple choice questions on strategic management part third. Now come to the question. Question number 1 dash is oblique R the source of a firm's dash which is oblique R the source of the firm's. Options are A. Resources, capabilities, core competencies. B. Capabilities, resources, core competencies. Capabilities, resources, above average returns. D. Core competencies, resources, competitive advantage. Correct option is A. Resources, capabilities, core competencies. Question number 2. In the airline industry, frequent flyer programs, ticket kiosks, and e-ticketing are the examples of capabilities that are A. Rare, B. Casually ambiguous, C. Socially complex, D. Valuable. Correct option is D. Valuable. Question number 3. Firms with few competitive resources are more likely A. to not respond to competitive actions, B. respond quickly to competitive actions, C. delay responding to competitive actions, D. respond to strategic actions but not to tactical actions. Correct option is C. delay responding to the competitive actions. Question number 4. Competitors are more likely to respond to competitive actions that are taken by A. differentiators, B. larger companies, C. first movers, D. market leaders. Correct option is D. market leaders. 5. What can be defined as the art and science of formulating, implementing, and evaluating cross-functional decisions that enable an organization to achieve its objectives? Options are A. strategy formulation, B. strategy evaluation, C. strategy implementation, D. strategic management. Correct option is D. strategic management. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a cultural product? A. rites, B. emotions, C. rituals, D. sagas, E. symbols. Correct option is B. emotions. 7. Which individuals are most responsible for the success and failure of an organization? A. strategists, B. financial planners, C. personal directors, D. stakeholders, E. human resource managers. Correct option is A. strategists. Question number 8. Which of the following is an element of a firm's remote external environment? A. competition, B. political agencies, C. suppliers, D. trade union. Correct option is B. political agencies. 9. Long-term objectives should be all of the following except A. measurable, B. continually changing, C. reasonable, D. challenging, or E. consistent. Correct option is B. continually changing. 10. What are guides to decision making? A. laws, B. rules, C. policies, D. procedures, E. goals. Correct option is C. policies. 11. The vision and mission statement can often be found A. in the SEC report, B. in annual reports, C. on customer receipts, D. on supplier invoices, E. on community news bulletins. Correct option is B. in annual reports. 12. Which group would be classified as a stakeholder? A. communities, B. banks, C. suppliers, D. employees, E. all of these. Correct option is E. all of these. Viewers, let me tell you that by and large, correct options in each question are highlighted. In case of any discrepancy found in any of the options, that will be corrected through my narration. Now question number 13. The process of performing an external audit needs to include A. only top level managers as its planning function, B. as managers and employees as possible, C. primarily frontline supervisors, D. between 15 to 20 managers for it to be valid, C. stakeholders and external government agencies. Correct option is B. as many managers and employees as possible. 14. Which of the following is not a stage of strategy formulation techniques? A. formulation framework, B. matching stage, C. external factor evaluation, D. decision stage. Correct option is B. matching stage. 15. A strategy accompanies A. value statement, B. pricing policy, C. game plan to smart competitor, or D. long-term objective. Correct option is C. game plan to outsmart competitor. 16. According to Greenblatt, strategic management offers all of these benefits except that A. it provides an objective view of management problems, B. it creates a framework for internal communication among personnel, C. it encourages a favorable attitude toward change, D. It maximizes the effects of adverse conditions and changes. E. It gives a degree of discipline and formality to the management of a business. Correct option is D. It maximizes the effects of adverse conditions and changes. 17. ST. Strategy is an important strategy to A. Match weaknesses with opportunities of the firm. C. Overcome external threats. B. C. Obtain a benefit of its resources. D. Overcome its weaknesses and reducing threats. Correct option is B. Overcome external threats. 18. The immediate external environment includes A. Divisions. B. SBU. C. Competitors. D. Management. Correct option is C. Competitors. 19. The dash comprises economic and social conditions, political priorities and technological developments, all of which must be anticipated, monitored, assessed and incorporated into the executive decision making. A. Internal environment. B. Task environment. C. Operating environment. D. Societal environment. Correct option is D. Societal environment. 20. Strategic management involves the dash, directing dash and controlling of a company's strategy related decisions and actions. A. Financing marketing. B. Planning financing. C. Planning organizing. D. Marketing planning. Correct option is C. Planning organizing. 21. Which can be employed when information gathering and additional are not able to reduce uncertainty. A. Report analysis. B. Market analysis. C. Risk analysis. D. Scenario analysis. Correct option is D. Scenario analysis. 22. Dash depicts the organization's aspirations and provides a glimpse of what the organization would like to become in the future. A. Vision. B. Mission. C. Strategic management. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Vision. 23. Which of these is not related with business definition? A. Customer needs. B. Target markets. C. Alternative technologies. D. Organization aspiration. Correct option is D. Organization aspiration. 24. Which is not the element of strategic vision? A. Coming up with a mission statement. B. Using mission statement. C. Communicating strategic vision. D. Modifying strategic vision. Correct option is D. Modifying strategic vision. 25. Why does an organization need mission statement? A. To have its own special identity. B. To reduce rivalry in industry. C. To guide resources in proper way. D. To change ethical environment. Correct option is A. To have its own special identity. So this was all about this video tutorial. More quality questions will be given in my upcoming video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.